You can purchase Scrivener for Mac or Windows from Literature and Latte in two ways. Either from the Scrivener website or directly within the Scrivener app. You can also purchase Scrivener for iPad and iPhone and Scrivener for Mac OS from Apple's App Store. Scrivener is available for Mac, Windows, and iOS. To purchase Scrivener for iPad and iPhone, go to scrivener.com and click Buy Now. This takes you to a page where you can choose which platform you want to buy Scrivener for. If you're on an iPad or iPhone and tap iOS, you see a link to Apple's App Store where you can purchase the app for iPad and iPhone. There are two ways you can buy Scrivener for Mac or Windows. The first is on the Literature and Latte website. The second, which you can see later in this video, is to purchase it from within the Scrivener app, which you can download as a free trial. You can buy Scrivener for Mac or Windows on the Buy Now page, and you can purchase a bundle which gives you licenses for both the Mac and Windows versions at a discounted price. Click the platform you want to purchase Scrivener for. You see an option to purchase a standard license or an educational license. Choose the license you want to purchase, then click Buy Now. The payment screen displays. If you have a discount code, click Add Discount, enter the code, then click Apply. On the right side of the purchase screen, enter your email address. This is the address that we will use to send you your Scrivener license. Choose your country and then enter your zip code or postcode. Click Continue to go to the next screen where you can enter your payment method. You can pay with PayPal or any major credit or debit card. If you're on an Apple device set up with Apple Pay, you will also see an option to pay with this method. Click the Pay button to complete your purchase. You may need to verify your purchase with your bank or credit card provider. If you pay with PayPal, a PayPal window opens asking you to authenticate for your account and approve the payment. After you've completed your purchase, you see a confirmation screen. You will soon receive an email from Literature and Latte via paddle.com confirming your purchase. Paddle is the payment processor used for direct sales of Scrivener. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. It is sent from sales@literatureandlatte.com, so try searching for it if you don't find it in your inbox. If you haven't already downloaded Scrivener, click the download link to get a copy of the app. The email explains which type of file you download and what you should do with it to start using the app. When you launch Scrivener, a dialog asks if you want to use the app in trial mode or enter your license. Click Enter License, type the email address you used to purchase Scrivener, then copy the license key from the email and paste it into the registration dialog. Click Activate License to start using Scrivener. Save this email in case you want to register Scrivener on another computer or if you need to re-register Scrivener. You can download Scrivener and use it in free trial mode for 30 days. The trial version is exactly the same as the full version, but will stop working after 30 days of use. If you use it every day, it lasts 30 days. If you use it only 2 days a week, it lasts 15 weeks. To try out Scrivener, click Find Out More on the main page of the Literature and Latte website, then click Download Free Trial and choose your platform. Launch Scrivener and a dialog says that Scrivener is unlicensed and tells you how many days you have left on your free trial. If you want to use the app in free trial mode, click Continue Trial. When your free trial has expired, a screen tells you that you won't be able to use Scrivener anymore until you've purchased a license. If you click Buy Now on the Scrivener free trial screen, a new screen shows the price of your purchase. Enter your personal information, then click Continue. If you click Show Order Summary, you see the price of Scrivener and how much tax is included, if any. You can enter a discount code by clicking Add Discount. Enter a payment method, then click Pay to complete your purchase. If you buy Scrivener from the free trial on a Mac, your copy of Scrivener is automatically registered with your license code. If you buy Scrivener this way on Windows, a dialog tells you to click OK to activate your license. As you saw earlier in this video, you will soon receive an email from Literature and Latte via paddle.com confirming your purchase. Save this email in case you want to register Scrivener on another computer, or if you need to re-register Scrivener. You can download a 30-day free trial of Scrivener for Mac or Windows at scrivener.com.